Biology Science blog. My name is Amanda Colton and I'm a pre-service teacher at Murdoch University. The purpose of this blog is twofold. Firstly, it is an instruction-based blog for teachers, explaining to them how to conduct classes for a Year 5 biology experiment. And secondly, it serves as an end product example of what the students need to create at the completion of this task. I'm going to show you through what this task entails on a tour of the WordPress blog I created. This blog has 5 tabs, the first being the blog, which is the latest information coming up first when that's created, and clicking through to the home page for more information on what we're doing here today and what the blog is about. The About Me section is actually about me and how to contact me should you have any queries. However, it's not necessary for students to include this in their task. The project overview is a run through of what they'll be doing in 5 weeks, sticking to the biology curriculum chosen about living things and structural features and adaptations that help them to survive in their environment, coupled with digital technology. A run through on their task and some examples of what they'll need to be creating, the learning outcomes, and applying authentic learning. This is extremely important that students are able to engage in learning outside of the classroom, taking what they've learned and bringing it home in things that they can touch, feel and interact with. And at the end they'll be showing this at a school science fair for years 1 to 6, parent, teachers and students in print form and digitally through a blog that will be able to be viewed. The project content page is a how-to for teachers on running this experiment of do plants need light to grow, mentioned here, the tasks to be completed, setting up a blog, writing a scientific report, the answers that they need to, the questions that they need to answer, and more information on the table and graph that they'll create, the 3-part assessment that they will have, and a run through of the week's lessons, starting with a topic introduction where they will view a video, compare a chart, and talk about the characteristics of living things and develop some classroom discussion through this. There's information on how to create their WordPress blog, the headings for their scientific report, how to table their findings and create their graph through Microsoft Publisher. And if they need a bit more information on this, they can actually click on this Bright Hub link here. The questions that they'll have to answer are actually below, and a link directly to the blog post that they will be creating, which outlines what they need to include and how they need to show this information. I hope you all enjoy this project as much as I did creating it. Good luck!